Hey everyone, I'm here to do yet another unboxing. This one should be 3 watches. I'm really looking forward to this one. The box is a little small for it to be 3 watches, but hey, you never know. I thought they were supposed to go in their boxes, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm more interested in the watches themselves than the boxes, to be honest, so it's fine. And the watches looked brand new, so I'm hoping everything's fine here. So yeah, let's open this up. I bought these from a member of that from a Facebook group that yeah, Facebook group that are collectors and buyers and sellers of watches. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay. So this person has dealt with a person I've already dealt with too. That's positive. All right, there are 3 boxes in here. Okay, first off, let's take them out. Citizen. Here's the Citizen. There is Victorinox. And a generic box. I'm guessing it's a Seiko. So that's what was inside the box. Let's go with the Citizen first. Alright. This includes registration card. Citizens don't have manuals anymore. Alright. Here is the Citizen. A Citizen diver. Yeah, this watch called my attention pretty spectacularly. Of course, it's solar and Citizen and a diver. This is my first Citizen diver. Let's get it off the. Now, I'm not a big fan of the band. Rubber bands, I don't like them that much, but that's an easy fix with a NATO. But still, it's pretty cool. It's the round shape with a bezel. You know, I like divers. I just don't like chronographs. And this one does not have a chronograph. Let's see. Yeah. All right. So, what y'all think? Let's try to put it on wrist. On my offhand. Oh, sorry. I always forget to do this when we start off. Wrist check for today is the Aragon, the large watch there. Did an unboxing for it. I want to say in October or November, depending on when it uploaded to YouTube. But a few months back. Let's say that, a few months back. This one should be uploaded in January. I said that in a few videos back, but it was actually uploaded, that other video, in late December. This one is a December video, but it's uploaded in January. But yeah, look at this. And you're getting 3 watches this time, so that's pretty nice itself. Look at that. That's a nice looking watch right there. If I do say so myself, that's a nice looking watch. All right, let's move on. Keep it on wrist for now. I'm gonna take off the Aragon, so I'll show the on wrist with the next watch, which is a Victorinox. So I don't know if all of you know. I've unboxed the Victorinox here before, but Victorinox. If you've ever owned a Swiss Army knife, that's them. Victorinox. They also own a brand called Wenger. That's them. See, that's nice. Isn't that nice? I'm really liking this watch. It's really nice. It's upside down, but yeah. Look at that. That's solid. I like the, is it 1, 2, 3, hexagonal feel? The look. Still a round face with the hexagonal exterior. I know there's a, I'm trying to remember the brand. Is it JLC or IWC that has an octagonal watch that's highly sought after, but it's also worth thousands and thousands of dollars. So that's not what we're doing here, but it still looks very nice. It's a very nice dress watch. Diver. Yeah, it's a diver. No bezel though. But still. I've never seen an opening like this, so let's, oh, there it is. How do you open this one? Huh. Interesting. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, that's an interesting latch right there. So it goes through and closes on itself. That's a very interesting latch. Never seen one like this. Wow. Let me put it on my main hand wrist. Hopefully it fits. It fits perfectly. Okay. Look at that. That's a pretty nice watch. It fits perfectly on my wrist. No need to adjust anything. So I'm very happy about that. Very happy about that. Because I don't... Are there links in here? There seems to be something. Yeah, there's links in here. There's links in here. But I'm not going to need them. So that you can just stay in there. They can just stay in there. And that's pretty awesome. Wow. That's a unique clasp, I gotta say. I haven't seen that. Must be a Victorinox thing. My Victorinox field watch, I've wanted to change the strap on it, but it's how do you say, it's so unique that it's difficult to find the strap that'll fit on it, because most straps are like 18, 20, 22, 24 millimeters. That one's like 8, but it expands out. So it's kind of a weird looking strap. So yeah, that's but still, this is very nice. This is very nice. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the Seiko, even though it's not in a Seiko box. Let's see what we got here. Boom. A Seiko diver. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting 2 more Seikos in the mail. One should be the next video actually, and there's another one in the mail coming that should come in the next few days. So that's yeah. As you can tell, I'm liking Seikos a lot. Oh, this diver bezel is nice. It's very smooth. It's unidirectional, just like most divers. That's just nice. It's set to Friday in Spanish. Huh. Yeah. The other ones don't have the day complication, but they have the date complication. The number is not set in the other ones. I don't think no, it is on this. It is on the Citizen, and it is on the Victorinox. So why isn't it on the? Oh, of course, the obvious answer. It's an automatic. That's why it's not moving either. And now it's moving. So that's why it's not set. All right. So let's take it off the. Off here. You can see the complications inside. The weight. That's awesome. That's awesome. As always, Seiko delivers. Seiko always delivers. So yeah. So what y'all think of my new additions to my collection? I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy. Gonna have to measure. Let's put it on the wrist. Let's see. We'll take off the Citizen. And hopefully it isn't too far off. The Seiko isn't too far off because the Victorinox was right on the size. Okay, wait. This one seems like it'll be a little small. Let me just take it off camera and try to put it on. It's a little small. So that's a shame. I don't see links in here, but there isn't a slight thing that this. I don't have a pry bar next to me right now, but I'll move it back and hopefully that'll be enough. But yeah, let me pause and go get a pry bar and I'll be right back. All right, pause. I'm back. So it fits now, but it is tight. And I'm gonna try to contact the seller, see if there's any links for the Seiko, because it's really tight. It's really tight. So if I can't, yeah, I'd rather just put a NATO strap on it instead of wear it like this, which would be a shame. But again, no other recourse. Yeah, it's too bad. But I'll try to contact them, see. Now let's look at this. Is it a screw down crown? Is it a screw down crown? Nope, it's not a screw down crown. It's just a normal crown. Okay. And let's put here. Oh wait, that's a box with nothing in it, which would collapse with weight. All right, let's put that here. The Citizen, put that here. And wait, this is not panning completely. All right. Now the Victorinox, which is I think the coolest of the lot, was right here. So yeah. So what do y'all think about these the new watches? Let's put them a little more together. I'm really liking them all. Now let's see what it says. Citizen screw down crown. It is a screw down crown. Wow. Okay, real diver then. That's a real diver. No substitutions allowed for that. And a diver. You want the water not to go in at all. Victorinox. This is not necessarily a diver, but it is a screw down crown as well. Wow. Nice. Okay, it's screw down crown's a little tight. There it goes. Okay. May have needed some oiling. That's fine now. It's fine now. Just needed to be moved a little bit. But yeah, that bracelet's unique, and the face is unique too. So yeah. Tell me. Oh, okay. I'll just put them in front then. That's fine. Seiko doesn't want to be on top. Seiko doesn't have to be on top. So tell me, what do y'all think of my new watches? Alright. Hope you're enjoying your watches of the Citizens Upside Down. There you are. Alright. So hope you're enjoying your watches, and have a good one. Alright, take care everyone. Bye.